Hi, I am Yashasvi LP from Amrita School of Arts and Sciences, Mysore. ASP.NET 4.0 is the latest iteration of the .NET platform. ASP.NET 4.0 builds on several of the features that were offered by the last iteration of ASP.NET, that is ASP.NET 3.5. ASP.NET 4.0 offers a more easier and flexible development platform for pure client-side development using the current web services 2.0. So it can be said that it is a more client-centric development platform. The features of ASP.NET 4.0 are, it offers a more flexible platform to develop RIA applications, that is, rich internet applications. More powerful data-centric applications can be developed using ASP.NET 4.0, through which we can combine the benefits of the client templates, binding, and data view controls. We can create dynamic pages such as master detail views that render data from a web service or an ADO.NET data service with little or no JavaScript code. The UI is rendered dynamically in the browser and it can respond automatically to changes in the data without requiring any request or post back to the server. The routing operation of a web form has been simplified. To give a background, system.web.routing is the namespace that provides the all-important routable and page router handler class. ASP.NET 4.0 includes the support for developers using Iron Python, Iron Ruby, and F#. These are the new languages that have been supported by ASP.NET 4.0. In order to access the server control from a client-side script, a developer will require getting its client ID. Developers can manage, control, and combine IDs that affect rendered client ID. This has been disabled on a page and this can be enabled on specific client controls. Enhanced filtering has also been offered in ASP.NET 4.0 services. Autocomplete, search filters and cascading filters have been enhanced, and metadata has also been enhanced through control over column order and filtering. Support over non-table based HTML rendering has been enhanced through enhanced CSS services. ASP.NET 4.0 thus is indeed a more powerful platform to develop client-centric application, and this indeed was a brief introduction of ASP.NET 4.0, which is a very powerful platform. Thank you.